Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's No Clue to Guru here, and today I'm finally going to go ahead and jump into my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I've had it for like a week now. I haven't had a chance to do absolutely anything with it, and earlier today a fellow person in a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Facebook group that I'm in, they posted like a little eye look tutorial or something that they did, and I forgot their name. Actually it says at Ashley Hall Makeup, so shout out to Ashley Hall. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that look. I believe she even posted it on her Instagram. I'll type it in the description box if you want to go and give her a follow, because this is her look. I don't know how this is going to look with a hooded eye. So, oh, and the other thing too, I forgot to mention, if I'm looking over here, I have a computer screen set up over here that has the tutorial kind of on it, not like a video, it's actually just a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and try and recreate that look. Before we also get started, I've already taken my, my Stay Matte primer and my concealer and put that over my eyes so I don't have to go through that whole process. And then we're going to jump right in. The other thing too, I'm going to cut the video down to probably 15 minutes. May have to do some voiceover and some speed cuts. So if you see that in my videos, that's just because YouTube has the limit with me being a new channel. Now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and crack this open, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I got my brushes all laid out in front of me, and we're just going to see what we can go ahead and do. So, first color that I'm actually going to be dipping into is Vile Serpent down here. It's like this blue-green color. I don't know how it'll translate on camera. I know in person it looks like a dark green blue, but like in her pictures it actually looks blue. But we're gonna go ahead and start with this look and give it a little base, and we're gonna go from there. So with that being said, here we go. We're gonna dip into Vile Serpent first. And speed cut. Other thing I'm gonna do too, I'm gonna have my mirror over here so I'm not like looking awkwardly into the camera. So I got my little base going there. And that was with Vile Serpent as my first little color. Into the second color, which is our color right here, called Blood Queen. Alright, so that can work. Alright. Okay, and with the same JS12 brush, I'm gonna dip into, I believe the color is Vivid Moon, which is, if I can get this to go right, Vivid Moon. So it's right above Sea Serpent, which is more of like a light lavender-y purple. And I'm gonna go again up at the top here, and I'm gonna kind of blend that out with that darker purple, just to kind of. But yeah, so JS12 into Vivid Mood. Oh, I thought it said Moon. It's Vivid Mood. But yeah, here we go. My next step, I'm gonna go ahead and take my, this is an e.l.f. fluffy eye brush. I don't know if it'll focus for you to see. Come on, focus. Focus. Anyway, it's the fluffy eye brush from e.l.f. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. The next thing I'm going to do is take some concealer, and I'm gonna go right on my center of my lid, or kind of, yeah, more towards the inner, kind of here in the lid area there. I'm gonna put some foundation, so then that way I can go in with the good old Sworn Enemy color, which is a nice little shimmer. I'll go in, and it should stick and be a little bit more vibrant than normal. And we'll go from there. So, here we go with the next part of the tutorial. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my concealer and move on to the next step. Ugh, nose is running, I'm dying. Oh, that's not looking like I want it to. Oh, you a really big spot, but yeah, that's alright, we'll see. Yeah, a little bit more. And we're gonna dip into Sworn Enemy right here. It's like gold shimmery color. I'm gonna put it right on that patch that I just covered in my concealer. So here we go. we're just gonna do what we got there. So for the next step, now that I have that kind of together and on there, we are going to finish with the under eye here, and we're gonna do kind of like how we started with the Vile Serpent and Blood Queen. So Vile Serpent and Blood Queen, kind of going under here and blending out, doing kind of the same effect as we have here. And then what we're going to do for a finish is we're going to take the new formula up here, Wet Jewel, and put that kind of in the inner corner. And then we will finish up the, and highlight the brow. And then we will be finished with this tutorial look. So far, I think it looks okay. I mean, again, for my first time and not really doing makeup, not too bad. Well, I don't want to say first time. First time with the palette. So we will go and work from there. So I'm going to try. I think I'm gonna do. Let's just go for it. I'm gonna use the JS10 to go under here with the Vile Serpent and the Blood Queen. And here we go. Okay, so I've come back. I've done some eyeliner. Don't know if you can see it. It sucks. It's really bad. I know. But I can't use the stuff like I wanted to, so I had to use my little twisty eyeliner, which I'm gonna get a liquid eyeliner, I promise. So the last two things I need to do before I deem this look complete, to go back into my palette, and I'm going to dip into that one new formula called Wet Jewel right here, this light pink color. I'm going to go in and try and go up underneath my eyebrow a little bit here and kind of highlight up here, and then I'm going to go into the inner corner and finish it up there. So, and I'm going to go in with the JS13. So here we go. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop there and deem this eyeball. It is at Ashley Hall Makeup. I believe I'm saying that right. So you can go and check that out. And it's Haw, H-A-W, not Hall, H-A-L-L. So, with that being said, guys, thank you for checking me out today. This is No Clue to Guru, and I will see you for the next look